Tonight, we've received reports of derailed trains, of granaries on fire, and of a savage attack on the hydroelectric dam in District 5.
What has been done to you?
I'm begging for restraint and decency.
Interrupt your regularly scheduled horse manure to bring you...
That's it. That's our footage.
Speedy's in.
Goodness.
He sees it. He sees our pop-up.
Goodness, are you there?
Peter.
Goodness.
Peter, please continue. You were telling us about these savage attacks.
The attack on the dam was a callous and inhuman act of destruction. Think about it. How will this end? What will be left? No one can survive this. No one is safe now. Not here in the capital. Not in any of the districts. They're coming, Katniss. They're gonna kill everyone. And in District 13, you'll be dead by morning!
He's warning us. That was a warning.
Yes, it was.
We have to get him out before they kill him. Is there anything in the air?
Nothing on Doppler, ma'am.
He was in the mansion. He could have overheard something.
Possibly.
It's time for an air raid drill.
This is a code red alert. Please remain calm and begin evacuation protocol. Proceed in an orderly fashion to your nearest stairwell and descend to level 40. Blast doors will be sealed in 6 minutes. This is a code red alert. Please remain calm and begin evacuation protocol. Proceed in an orderly fashion to your nearest stairwell and descend to level 40.
Madam President, 3 capital squadrons just entered our airspace.
How much time do we have?
They're a few seconds from range.
Prepare to scramble the fleet.
Copy that.
Open up short-range air defense. Arm long-range missiles for counterattack.
This is a code red alert. Please remain calm and begin evacuation protocol. Proceed in an orderly fashion to your nearest stairwell and descend to level 40. Last doors closed. This is a code red alert. Please remain calm and begin evacuation protocol. Proceed in an orderly fashion to your nearest stairwell and
Where's Prim?
I thought she went to find you. She must still be on the stairs.
There's no one on the stairs. She went back for the cat.
This is a code red alert. All citizens should be inside the bunker.
Hey, stop! Stop!
Blast doors will close in 1 minute.
edge of the northwest quadrant. Penetrated 40 feet.
Missed the living quarters. Only minor damage to corridors 2 and 3.
Is there any radiation?
None detected.
Doppler shows a fourth wave approaching.
Blast doors will close in 30 seconds. This is a code red alert. Blast doors will close in 15 seconds. Get down here! This is a code red alert. Blast doors will close in 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hold the door! 4, 3, 2, hold the door! 1.
You went back for the cat? What were you thinking? I wasn't gonna leave him behind. I couldn't live with myself.